If you're not yet familiar with AmaPiano, get ready to get your mind blown over the next few minutes. Yurigan Na tell you everything you need to know about this exciting genre and its growing influence around the world. AmaPiano, a word that means the pianos in Zulu, is more than just a music genre. It's a cultural phenomenon that has taken South Africa by storm. Emerging in the early 2010s, AmaPiano is a vibrant fusion of deep house, jazz, kwaito, and lounge music, characterized by jazzy piano melodies and rhythmic bass lines that are meant to make you move. Its distinctive sound is the result of South Africa's rich musical heritage and the country's vibrant nightlife. While its exact origins are debated, many trace the roots of AmaPiano back to the townships of Pretoria and Johannesburg, where underground producers and DJs experimented with new sounds. Blending traditional genres with modern electronic beats, the genre got its name